If you haven't tried your hand at cooking different kinds of dried beans because you are a little iffy on how to do it correctly, you'll be happy to know that it's easier than you think. Other than the fact that it takes a little bit of time, there's nothing difficult or tricky about it. And cooking dried black beans don't require extensive cooking skills. In fact, it's pretty hard to get it wrong, as long as the beans stay submerged in water or broth while cooking. And you can keep a pot simmering on the stove for an hour or two, or in a slow cooker. You're doing great. Keep watching all the way to the end for all the details. I'm going to show you how simple it actually is. You can switch up the seasonings that your family enjoys. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching at Blissful Spaces. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Yes, it inspires me to keep creating these videos just for you. Thank you for your support. And yes, you gotta have some vegan cornbread to go with those beans. Oh my goodness. Yes, this whole pan is for you. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I will see you in my next video.